is Tatiana and you are on the Tulipical makeup channel. So guys, today we are going to create this dynamic look. On the one hand romantic, on the other hand dynamic. By the way, if you want to know how to create this super curly volume hairstyle, I will put the link with the tutorial in the description box or maybe somewhere here on the screen, or maybe both. I think guys that this look can be go-to look for many people because everybody loves curl hair and everybody loves purple shades in makeup. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, push the thumb up and the bell button. So this tutorial will be with the curlers on, sorry about that. And for the first step, I'm going to use the moisturizer as a primer for my makeup look. It gives a lovely, delicate glow to the skin, applying it with a fluffy brush. Next, I'm using the light coverage foundation. To be honest, my foundation coverage is medium, because I have red spots and other things, but today I'm going to test the light coverage. To neutralize purple shades under the eyes, I'm using my must-have product, the Yellow Shade Cream Concealer. It will give a nice, delicate coverage of unwanted imperfections. Next, I'm going to cover it with a moisturizing concealer. So as the next step now, I'm doing liquid correction. Underlining the cheekbones, temple zone, chin, and adding some nice and delicate blush. Using a fluffy, loose brush, I'm applying a highlight of a mint color, reaching the idea of a delicate glow all over the face. Just gonna put a sweep of translucent powder from the center to the face outwards and set it a little more with a delicate shimmering powder. So this is the dewy skin look we have. A little bit of more dry correction. I'm just gonna sweep the kind of darker shade under the cheekbones and a little on the chin and forehead. But be careful not to lose the dewy effect we've reached. So now for the eye makeup. As a topper, I'm using this really beautiful cold brown shadow stick and spreading it all over the mobile eyelid. Using the round brush afterwards to blend the hard edges. A little bit more to the outer corner of the eyes and softening the edges. With the help of the same brush, I'm applying the same eyeshadows to the lower eyelid in a very soft way. If you want to know where is the edge of your lower eyelid, just smile and you will see your natural form of the lower eyelid, which you should cover with the color. As for the eyeshadows, I start with this gorgeous sparkling color. Applying it on the same places where I've applied the shadow stick, I'm fixing the color in place. So eyeshadows won't crease and the color will be nice and deep. So I'm going to take this more lighter sparkling color and create this gorgeous volume, adding it on the center of the mobile eyelid. Look how rich the color is. This nice pearl brown color I'll apply to the crease space. Next I'm going to take this light shade and with a larger fluffy brush I use it around the edges of everything what I've done as a transitional color between the darkness of the eyeshadow and natural skin tone. A little pencil brush, just adding this beautiful pure topper and fixing the color with the shimmering purple dry eyeshadows. Adding a touch of light purple shimmering eyeshadows to the corners of the eyes. Filling the waterline with a brown kohl pencil. I'm going to add a touch of the same pencil just in along the lash line and to create the small blended wing. So now for brows, I'm using this long-lasting brow pencil. I have mentioned so many times that my eyebrows are so much different and it really takes my time to draw them properly, fixing the result with a dry product. As for the lower eyelashes, I'm using this gorgeous PLUM color mascara, and for the upper ones it will be the black mascara. Now it's time for individuals, but I don't want to put drama in this look, that is why not much of them, just to emphasize the lash line. And I have this pure pleasure, the colored individuals. I'm going to put some right to the outer corner to emphasize the purple shade. A touch of a black mascara and moving on to the lips, building the form with a nude pencil and finishing the look with a beautiful peachy pink gloss. So this is the final look. Nice curly hair and purple brown eyes. So guys, wherever you are in this world, I just want to say thank you so much for watching and for your thumbs up. See you in my next one.